Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about cybersecurity awareness. So let's get started. These are the topics which we will cover in this video. Cybersecurity awareness is a method to read the types of threats and implement protection against such threats from the internet to protect our privacy and secure our data. The internet is used by us regularly and we all are aware of the security threats on the internet. We need to protect our privacy from such cyber attacks. Cybersecurity awareness is important as earlier times only the computer viruses were a problem, but now we have antivirus software to protect us from them. But now the cyber threats have grown large and advanced that is becoming dangerous to all of us. Malware, phishing, DDoS attacks, data breaches, and fraud emails are some common examples where we trap ourselves and become a victim. Following are some points to know the importance of cybersecurity awareness. As the world of digital era is increasing, the cyber attacks and threats are also increasing day to day, and we need to be aware from such cyber threats and protect our data. Multiple malware, phishing, DDoS attacks, and data breaches, fraud emails are sent to users through the internet to access and breach their personal and professional data on daily basis. Some ways to protect your personal information online are: create strong password, limit social media sharing, review privacy settings on accounts, use encrypted messaging apps for sensitive conversations. Some of the common cyber threats are: first, phishing attacks, which include fraudulent emails, messages, or websites that trick users into providing sensitive information. Second is malware, which includes viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, and spyware that infect device and steal or damage data. Third, ransomware, which is a type of malware that encrypts a user's data and demands payment to restore access. Fourth, social engineering, which includes manipulation of people into revealing confidential information through deception and psychological tactics. Fifth is data breaches, which occurs when unauthorized individuals gain access to personal or organizational data, often involving sensitive information like credit card details, social security numbers, etc. Cyber attacks mostly happens due to clicking on malicious links, downloading unknown attachments, using weak passwords, connecting to unsecured Wi-Fi, and falling for social engineering scams. Here's the way to protect from cyber threats. Protection from cyber threats involves implementing security measures to safeguard data, networks, and systems from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. Key strategies include using strong passwords, encryption, firewalls, antivirus software, regular updates, multi-factor authentication, and employ training to recognize phishing or malicious attacks. Cyber threats can have significant impacts, including financial losses, data breaches, identity theft, reputational damage, intellectual property theft, and disruption of services. They can also lead to regularity penalties and legal consequences. The consequences often extend beyond businesses to individuals, causing personal harm and loss of trust in online systems. Cybersecurity in the workplace is essential to protect company data, maintain business operations, and prevent cyber threats. Here are key practices employees should follow. First, use company approved devices and software. Second, follow IT security policies. Third, report suspicious emails or activities. Fourth, avoid sharing work-related credentials. If you are a victim of a cyber attack, you should perform the following steps. First, immediately change passwords. Second, report to cybersecurity authorities. Third, Monitor bank accounts for suspicious activities. Last but not the least, fourth, run antivirus scans and remove malware. Here are some case studies and real life examples for your better understanding. To conclude, we can say that cybersecurity is a critical component of our digital lives as it protects sensitive information and ensures the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data. As technology continues to advance, the threats of cybersecurity also evolve, making it essential of individuals, organizations, and government to remain vigilant and protective in implementing robust security measures. By embracing a culture of cybersecurity awareness, investing in advanced security technologies, and adhering to best practices, we can mitigate risks and create a safer digital environment for everyone.